to my channel. So today's video is going to be just a little long, a little bit, because I want to be able to share everything in like this huge haul. So it may run about 10 to 12 minutes. I'm going to try my best when I'm editing to leave it in that kind of time frame. I'm going to be sharing with you guys a handful of fall items that I picked up, and also Container Store. I am so happy that they kind of jumped on board this reveal, so I was able to get a couple of goodies from them. Before I get started, you guys are gonna ask, the hair is from UNice, my friend, you guys already know, Invisibly Crowned. I sent the bundles to her. She made me a wig with it's not a full frontal, I don't think, it's just a half. And so we're doing the side. So now I have, this is straight that I curled, the other one is curly, well, body wave. So I'm really loving having the options for the wigs, because underneath my hair is kind of protected. Well, not kind of, my hair is protected underneath. And then my dress is from Casanova. This dress is sold out. I actually had this now for about a year. So I will leave the hair link down below, and the dress, unfortunately I can't link it because it's sold out. Anyway, going right into the first items. One of the items I already shared with you guys, so you're gonna see it again because people keep asking me about it. Instead of sitting in the chair, I decided to come down to the floor because I just find this to be a lot easier instead of sitting in front. So I ended up finding this really beautiful UGG throw from Homegoods. They had this one in a brown shade. I ended up going with this one, and it was $49.99. It is a 10 by 70 inch throw. Everything about it was just really nice. So I don't know where I'm gonna put it right now. It may go into the formal living, it may go upstairs, it may even come in here. I don't really know, but I thought it was pretty, so I went on ahead and I grabbed it. The next item from TJ Maxx are these really cute pumpkins. I didn't want to do orange or green or whatever, so when I saw these yellow ones, I was like, yes, they're so cute. Told you guys before, I want to kind of stray away from just bombarding the house with a lot of things, so I'm trying to find like really nice neutral palettes, but even though a little bit of color. And then I found this really pretty brown vase. This was from HomeGoods. It was $5.99. And again, I can incorporate this in the office and also the bookcase, but it's just really nice and simple and pretty. The next piece is this book right here, The Right Color. Finding the color of your home. So I love the burnt orange color. This is another way to incorporate fall without being too literal about it. Finding books that have a little bit of that green, orange, yellow binding on there, so when you put it into the bookcase, it just really brightens up the space, and then when the holiday is over, you can kind of pull it out and store it. And it's really lightweight, so it stores very well. It is almost 3 or maybe even 2 weeks after the fact, and I am still getting asked so many questions about this floral arrangement. Now, I made a big mistake. Some of you guys asked me about this, and I said, oh, it's from HomeGoods. It was $79, and that was very false. I can tell you guys now, when I go shopping, I normally don't try to leave the house knowing I only have $100. Why? Because my eyes are really big. I'm telling you now, my eyes are just super big. So I try not to go shopping when I know I don't have no money. So at the time when I bought this in several other pieces, and I didn't even realize I had paid so much. I still don't hate it. I'm not returning it. I'm keeping it because I love it. I feel like this floral arrangement could be used in the fall and also in the summer and spring. So I'm still loving it. But the price of this floral arrangement was, drum roll, the price was $179. I told you guys it was $79.99. So I'm guessing you went in there looking for $79.99, and it's actually $179, okay? If I had to give a guesstimation, I would say that someone hand painted the petals and everything. Only reason why I'm saying this, it's foam. It's not silk. It is like a foam, silky something. But it looked like someone literally sat there and rolled the tip and pinched it and just manipulated it. That's number one. Number two, if you look at the bottom, it looks like real cut stem, and someone even took the time out to paint it to make it look as if it was fresh flowers. Now, you guys know I don't have a green thumb to save my life. I killed a cactus. That's a no-no. You don't need to have any plants in your house. So for me, when I find floral arrangements that look very realistic, even the one upstairs in the master, I love it. I don't mind saving to get it. It's like buying a Gucci belt at this point. Like, one floral, one Gucci belt. What do you want? Floral arrangement. So that's how I look at it. But again, it is from Homegoods and it is part of my current fall decor in the house. Right over here are some books, okay? I went into Homegoods and got some books. I went into the Goodwill and I got some books. So all these books right here is a collection of Homegoods, Dollar Tree, and also did I say Homegoods? Homegoods, Goodwill, Dollar Tree is right here, okay? I also have some books there. I have some decor there. I have the organization system there, which I'll show you guys right now. As many of you may know already, Container Store is definitely known for their organization. And for that, oh my gosh, I really do love them because it is really like a one-stop shop to everything. So with the bookcases coming, I didn't want everything to be exposed. I wanted to be able to file items. And my plan with the clients is to do like a spreadsheet, have their paint color, if they have fabrics, have everything written down. So in the future, if they call me, I'll have their stuff. And then possibly in these units here, might keep one or two little fabric swatches or whatever the case may be. And even like my glass and things, whatever it may be that I'm using at the time, keep it close. So that way I can kind of turn from my chair and turn right here. I can grab it with ease. So I didn't want to be selfish. I am going to be using this space with Babe. These are the BIGSO organization systems here, just to show you guys really quickly. Okay, so this one here is black, which is going to be for Babe stuff in her file for her work. If you guys missed my in-scale measuring for the bookcase, definitely I will link it at the end of this one, okay? So I am very girly, all right? I am very girly. So all of my files in my boxes are going to be pink. That way, if she opens it by accident, she knows it's not hers, it's mine. So my files are pink and hers are going to be black. And then I also got these really cute little small file organizers. This right here is the cable box, so I can get my surge protector, open this up. The plug is gonna peek out to the side, and then I'll have all of my plugs in here. The really great thing about the desk is it's gonna go right here, and everything is gonna go like inside the little small nooks. So I'm gonna get it as organized as possible, but the great thing is no one's gonna be able to see. You're not gonna see my legs or anything else, so I really do love that. Something else that I ended up picking up is a heavy duty box cutter, and also the cable tags, which I'm gonna use my label to put on there so I can put computer, printer, whatever. That way if I need to unplug something, I'll know exactly where it needs to go so I can unplug it. So I also have a clothing rack right here, which you guys saw in the other video, that retracts down. That way I can fold it up under the bed, which I really do love, you guys. I think it's just really great. If you are not a fan of shopping at Homegoods, right now is the time for you to go into Homegoods. This next month or 2 months, Thomasville stores are closing down, and I am telling you, there are pieces that was $1,500, $2,000, $3,000 that now you can find at Homegoods for $200, $300, and these are the pieces that you want to buy because they are going to hold up and last. That's all. Now, with that being said, I have bought a lot of things in my life, a lot of things, especially this last month, dealing with clients, and a lot of them are wanting like the higher end pieces and stuff like that. I've purchased a lot, and I've seen a lot of beautiful things. But I guess when it's going into my home, I look at it totally different. All right, but you guys, I purchased a chair for my desk, and I think it's so beautiful. And I think it's beautiful because it's a swivel, okay? I am about to show you guys the chair really quickly. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, you guys. Here is a look at the chair. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh. Now, the only issue is because I did purchase this from Homegoods, I'm not sure if it's a standard accent chair or if it's a dining chair. The only thing that I know is when I went online and I was looking up the Vanguard seating, that they were between about $1,200 to about $2,200, $2,500, the price range. So I'm guessing this would fall a little bit closer to the $1,200 range. I do have a company that's going to come out to clean it, but I'm going to have to change the casters on the chair. I'm gonna show you guys why real quick. Right now it's on the hardwood floor, so like I'm just pulling this and you'll see that it swivels. You see? I don't have an issue. But for some particular reason, on the rug, see, it's not moving. And I don't like that. You guys, just pray for me, okay? I'm really hoping that I can keep the chair. But if it ends up being where the casters aren't going to work out and I'm finding myself spending a whole lot just to make it do what I wanted to do, then I'm probably just going to have to get the standard office chair, which I really did not want to do that. The minute I saw the chair and I saw that it had the casters, I was like, OMG, this would make the perfect chair. It's not like anything that I have seen, so I definitely wanted it. But like I said, I do want to be able to have it kind of move. Gigi said it was doable. So if you look underneath, you'll see the wheels right here. And they just need to be a little bit bigger. That way the carpet won't be an issue. I think the ply on it is just too thick. So it's not allowing the wheel to really move. It's kind of getting a little bit embedded into there. I probably should have went with a lower pile, but I really do love it. That's one of the reasons why I haven't gotten the chair cleaned just yet. Only because I know that I'm going to have to take it out the house. They're going to have to work on it. So when it comes back, then I'm going to go ahead and have my guy come and steam clean it. But you guys, I really do love the chair a lot. I did order the light fixture in here and it broke. When it came, I wasn't here. Babe was the one that got it. And when I opened the box, the light fixture was broken. So right now I am going to be on a hunt for another one. But there goes the light fixture. So I'm gonna have to find another one. There is a great possibility that by the time the haul comes out, I'm not gonna have a light fixture because it's gonna take like another week for it to come. I don't know if you guys can see beyond the mess, beyond the cleaning products, beyond everything. The rug, I hate that it's covered like this so you can't really see it, but you can see it. The reveal, you'll see it so much better. But the rug is so beautiful and it is from Homegoods. I want to say it was listed for $3.99 and I really do love the rug so very much. Now, it's kind of weird because when I bought this rug, I was seeing a lot of it in Homegoods. And some of them were a little bit more than others. This rug here in particular is a 8x10. And I really didn't have to do a rug in the space. But again, I do my best to salvage the floor because it'll be a whole lot less to buy a new rug than it is to replace flooring. So I do love a good rug. And again, like I said, Homegoods has a very, very great collection of rugs. So if you're on the look for a rug, I would definitely say Homegoods, Rug USA, Overstock. You can definitely find this rug. So for now, that is going to be all, and I will see you guys next time. You guys, I am on IG with a subscriber and she found my desk at Homegoods. I just got done saying right now is the time to go into Homegoods. How much is it listed for?
$499.
$500, you guys, and I paid $900 for mine. Oh my gosh, $499. You guys, go to Homegoods. Look at my desk. I want it now, and I gotta wait another week. Oh my gosh, I hate it. I hate it. Oh my God, it's so pretty. It is so pretty. I hope somebody comes and grabs it. It does not deserve. There's a plug on the side, right?
Yes, in the middle on the bottom.
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I can't wait. Oh my gosh. Oh, there's 2 holes on the side? Go on.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited.
The sliding drawers, those are perfect.
Oh my gosh. I just seen pictures. I didn't see it in person. I was like, but I know I want it.
It feels really good.
Oh, it's so pretty. Go to the side. Let me see the side. Yes, yeah, right there. Let me see. Oh, yes. Oh my God. And look at the chair. I even like the lavender. It's so cute.
It's going to look better with the chair you have.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I'm excited. See, sometimes I want to go and live in Atlanta, but then I'm like, OMG, look at the bookcase on the front. It's so cute.